Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Monzo account. So first we're going to start by opening the app and then selecting I'm new to Monzo. Monzo is going to then have you put in some information like your name and email. Once that's done, you should receive an email to verify your Monzo account. Click Open Email App and your email should be there. Click Login to Monzo app. At this stage, you're going to be asked to fill in some personal details like your home address, email, and phone number. Since this is a regulated bank, you're going to have to answer a few questions about your job and how you plan to use this account. Next, you need to verify your identity. You'll be asked to upload a picture of your ID and take a quick selfie video. Monzo is going to compare your video with your ID to make sure you are who you say you are. Once your card has arrived in the mail, follow the instructions in the Monzo app to activate it. And your card should arrive within a few days. And that's it. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.